Day 2, Foilacar Dubai, Barakzai projects in the making. Just painted this mesh black with silver. Hopefully it'll be a better finish, better contrast. Hello everybody, today is day 2. Day 2 boys. Yeah. Yesterday I was very happy with the way you guys worked. Very happy. Yeah. Yeah, and I was extremely happy with your dancing. Yeah. But today I want to get you back, brother, because last night me and Harris were practicing. Right. Yeah, so I'll come back to you.
But I was still kick you guys out.
Yeah? Yeah. Oh man, you know what? It's gonna go down today, brother. Anyway, day 2 boys, let's see if we can get Omar's car complete. Okay, Manny? Yeah. Day 2, baby. Let's rock this and get this car done.
What's the problem with the roof?
We have the roof have damage. We will change the new one.
Oh, it's damaged. It's difficult to take it off.
Yes, because long time ago this one.
Jeff, I'm gonna make you in charge of the vinyl wrap. Obviously, you're gonna get the help from me and the team. Today, I want to complete Omar's Range Rover. That is the task in hand today. So we want the roof, the spoiler, and all the green detailing on this car finished. Okay? And then also 1 minute, I want you to start on more vlog this car.
We don't have the material.
We do have the material.
Really?
Yes. So I want you to at least get halfway through the car today. Okay. We're not doing the roof. Yeah. So it's easier. This car is easy because it's flat panels. As soon as you guys have done this, maybe try to get this finished before lunchtime. If we can, try. And then we move on to this car. That's your task today, Jeff. Right guys, if you show my Range Rover door handle, what you do, you walk up to the car, you look around, make sure no one's around, get your hand on there, clip that off, pull this there. This was a different one actually. No, actually no, this one's different. Let's go. And you know why? Because this is the main lock. Oh yeah. It's got the main lock on it. So that means you can't nick the passenger side one. So if you ever want the driver's side rear, what you do, let's do it again, take 2. Like, come here, let's go around, A up, take that, give it to your partner in crime, drag it that way, pull it out.
What's that?
This is the wrap that we've chosen for more vlog this car. Charles, can we turn the music down a little bit? I know you're the DJ, but you know, down a little bit. Only the tunes we put on loud are the ones that Harris likes. Anyway, so this is the wrap colour that we've chosen for Mo's car. It's like an estral blue with silver blue flakes, metal flakes in there. So when the sunlight hits that, it'll be glistening beautifully. People don't appreciate the amount of work and effort that you put into your work. Do you understand? They just see the finished product, but the amount of work that goes behind the scenes and the filming and the retaking and the, you know, everything, editing before they see the finished product, it's a massive job. Do you understand? It requires a lot of skill, patience, and you are undoubtedly one of the best videographers out there, bro.
Thank you, man. Appreciate that, bro. How much should I tell you then, bro?
You can't do it, man. You have some tissue.
As you can see, the cars is not really halfway so I'm not sure if it's going to be done by the weekend. I have a very big event after the weekend, so I have to have my car before then. Okay, and I'm putting all my trust in Naveed that he said by the weekend the car should be done. I'm not sure about that, but let's see.
Oh my god, you took back my car! Oh my god!
Man, I'm doing a proper job here. Don't know what you do in Dubai, but you stick it on and it flies off on the motorway.
So what are you doing now?
So basically I'm just prepping the surface that I'm going to be bonding to. So what I tend to do is just give it just use an abrasive just to get some
But Naveed, you're not scratching the car?
well, hopefully this bonnet's never going to come off again. What's the problem?
You scratched my car.
Well, listen, I want to sign this car.
Oh, that's sick, bro.
There you go, brother. You want to sign it?
I'll just do it.
There you go, guys. If you want to forge your signature.
For the amazing work.
Sick, bro.
Okay, so now what's going to happen? We're going to cover it. The thing is, the price, I know, is very expensive. You only have like 5... it's not the banana. No. इसको गैप होना चाहिए इधर
नहीं इतना गैप भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा गैप है सिलिकॉन जैसे बैठेगा सिलिकॉन जो आपने इधर से लेके इधर तक लगाया है ना
नो इधर से लेके इधर तक सिलिकॉन नहीं है ये गैप इसमें पानी जाता है
Lunchtime with the boys.
Nice show, man. First call?
On the wood. On the wood.
On the wood. You do a good show, man. So far it's going okay, a few little slight issues, hopefully I'll overcome them. And now, I mean, to be honest with you, we've not really touched Mo's car, just focusing on Omar's car. I'm going to start on Mo's car and hopefully get that out in a couple of days as well, so let's see how it goes. The bumper's cracked, I think.
It's cracked?
Yeah, it's all cracked all the way along here.
No way! Oh, flipping hell, man.
It must have cracked in
Transit.
yeah, in transit. It's cracked in transit, so we need to repair this.
Oh, mate!
You see this? We need to put a little bit of vinyl in there, please. I can see this. Is it for my brother-in-law Amr? Sheikh Amr, by the way, sorry, let's get it right, Sheikh Amr. Lives out in Dubai as well.
Hi guys.
Yeah, he just got to say, check up on me, make sure I'm doing the job right, and he's very meticulous. He's been, so far what do you think, Amr? Is it okay?
Very good.
I think what I'll do, if I get his approval at the end, then I'll be a happy man. You know, brother. You know how I roll.
I like it. I cannot wait!
लगाई सिलिकॉन लगाई है
इधर थोड़ी सिलिकॉन लगाई है वो जो ब्रैकेट है ना वो आगे as usual 12-hour shift. As you can see, we're really at the end of project 1. Omar's car almost complete. I did predict that it'd be done today, but unfortunately I got it wrong. So hopefully by tomorrow morning, by 11-12 o'clock, I want to get it complete so I can get onto Mo's car. As you can see, that's a long way away. We've got it wrapped almost, just a bit at the back end and the back bumper needs doing. So I'm going to, like I said, I'm just going to keep going for it. My deadline has to be Thursday night, so I've got no other option. By Thursday evening, I have to get this done. So let's just see how it goes. Don't know, everything's unpredictable right now.